guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today's video is in partnership with Doo Gro. I'll be bringing you along on my wash day using some of their products which are great for promoting thicker, stronger, healthier hair. So definitely stay tuned and watch all the way to the end because there may or may not be a giveaway. So I started with the Doo Gro Mega Thick Shampoo. This is their volumizing formula which helps to thicken and strengthen, helps repair weak and damaged hair, and moisturizes and cleanses. So the first thing I noticed about this shampoo was the smell. It smells so good, just like blue cotton candy. So I loved that. And then the second thing I noticed was this amazing lather, which you guys can see. I live for a great lather, especially because I had buildup, I had gel flakes, so I really needed a nice cleanse. But you guys know we don't want the dry, brittle hair, so this is supposed to do just that. Cleanse your hair without leaving it stripped. It's supposed to actually just leave it nice and moisturized. Now this shampoo is made with shea oil, vitamins, and botanical thickeners, so I made sure to just work it along my scalp, get my hair all nice and clean, and then I did just bring the lather downwards along the length of my hair because I personally like to get everything nice and clean. The slip was there, so I was able to just glide my fingers right on through, and then when I rinsed the shampoo on out, it did exactly as it claimed. My hair was left super duper clean, but it was nice and moisturized. No brittleness, no dryness, nothing. So this shampoo was great, but now we got to condition. So this is the Mega Thick Intense Repair Rebuilding Thickening Treatment. This is a deep treatment that helps to strengthen and repair damage. So this is right up my alley because you guys know I am color treated, but this is great for all hair types. So as you guys saw, it's just nice, thick, creamy, my favorite type of product. So putting this on my hair, instantly I had tons of moisture. My hair just was literally soaking this up. I don't even feel like I needed a lot of this, but you know, sometimes naturals can be a bit extra, so I did go in with another generous scoop, and I used that scoop to just go in and detangle, and this treatment made it super easy to just glide my fingers right on through my tangles. It is made with aloe vera, protein, and shea oil, so great ingredients that are great for helping to repair damaged hair. So the directions say to leave on for about 1 to 3 minutes, which I did. You can leave it on longer if you want to use it with heat, but I didn't even need the heat. Once I rinsed this off of my hair, y'all, my hair was so soft, like literally. So I'm just going to show you guys some close-ups so you can just see the hydration, the definition, all that good stuff, because like the proof is there. So personally, I like to use a microfiber towel to get any excess water once I'm done with my wash day. So after, you know, all the water is out and my hair's not like dripping all over the place, I did use the Doo Gro Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil. This is supposed to thicken and strengthen weak, damaged hair. It also helps to moisturize dry scalp. You can use this to do a hot oil treatment. So many different ways and uses with this oil. So of course, I chose to use it on my scalp, not only to help promote longer, thicker hair, but to moisturize it because I don't need any flakes and I definitely do not need an itchy scalp. So I applied this to my scalp and then just massaged it on in with my fingers, which also helps to stimulate your hair follicles, which helps with hair growth. So I feel like this wash day is all about thickening, hair growth, all that good stuff. Now, last but not least, I use the Doo Gro Hair Vitalizer. Just like the hair oil, this is made with a blend of vitamins and herbal extracts, except for it has a much thicker consistency. So I like the smell of it. I loved that this wasn't like a super greasy formula, so I chose to use it and apply it on my edges. This is great for if you have any thinning areas, whether it's your edges or anywhere else. So I applied that, and then I just went on to style, which you guys will see in just a second. So I told you guys there would be a giveaway. Now, one winner is going to receive 4 Doo Gro products of their choice. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to me, follow Doo Gro on their Facebook and Instagram pages, which I'll have the info in the description box and comments, and comment down below, Doo Gro. That's all you have to do to be entered, and make sure you live in the United States. So make sure you enter the giveaway, but if you can't wait, you can definitely pick up Doo Gro products at houseofbeautyworld.com and your local beauty supply. So I'll see you guys in my next video.